What if the next website you needed didn't require you to build it? No spending hours dragging blocks around, no staring at a blank page wondering what to write. No designer, no developer, no animation expert. No trying to stitch together 5 different tools just to get one website online. Instead, what if you could simply tell a team of AI website agents what you wanted and let them do the heavy lifting? That's exactly what we created. Introducing Cinematic Sites AI. And this is not just another AI website builder, because traditional website builders still give you the work. They give you templates, they give you blocks, they give you editors. Then they expect you to figure everything out. Cinematic Sites AI takes a completely different approach. It gives you your own specialized AI website workforce. A designing agent works on the visual direction. A writing agent creates the content. A copywriting agent sharpens your headlines and calls to action. An images and graphics agent handles the visuals. An optimization agent works on performance, SEO, and responsiveness. A reviewing agent checks the website. An analytics agent helps track performance. And an AI sales agent can engage your visitors around the clock. Different agents, different jobs, all working toward one goal: building the website you asked for. And using them is ridiculously simple. Watch this. I can type something as simple as create a premium website for a roofing company in Miami, then click generate. And now my website agents go to work. I'm not manually designing every section. I'm not writing all the copy. I'm not programming animations. I'm not trying to make everything responsive. The agents are doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. And then this appears. Look at this. Movement, depth, cinematic scrolling, premium typography, interactive sections, 3D effects. The kind of website that immediately feels different. Because here's the problem with most AI website builders. AI has made it easier than ever to create a website, but it has also created an ocean of websites that look exactly the same. Same hero, same cards, same layout, same generic template. And when your business looks like everyone else, you become incredibly easy to ignore. Cinematic Sites AI was created to change that, to create websites that make somebody stop, look, and think, who built that? But looking incredible is only half the story, because these websites aren't designed to just sit there looking pretty. They're designed to help businesses actually do business. Capture leads, book appointments, accept payments, showcase products and services, connect to custom domain, work across desktop and mobile, optimize for search, and deploy an AI sales agent that can engage visitors, answer questions, capture leads, and help move prospects toward taking action. And when you want to change something, you don't need to start digging through complicated code. Tell the AI what you want changed, customize the result, and stay in control. Now here's where this becomes really interesting, because you don't have to use Cinematic Sites AI only for your own websites. You can use it to build websites for clients. Think about the businesses around you: roofers, dentists, restaurants, law firms, hotels, realtors, gyms, coaches, consultants, local businesses. They all need an online presence, and businesses can spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars getting professional websites created. Now imagine walking into that market with this: a luxury hotel, a restaurant, a dentist, a real estate company, a gym, a contractor, a coach, an agency, all created with your AI website workforce doing the heavy lifting. A client tells you what they need, you turn that request into a prompt, your agents get to work, you customize the website, you deliver it, and you get paid. Then you find another client and do it again, and again, and again. Build it, sell it, hand it over, repeat. That's why I don't want you looking at Cinematic Sites AI and thinking, another website builder. I want you thinking, who could I build my first website for? Because one professional website project could potentially be worth hundreds or thousands, depending on what you offer and what the client needs. So you can get inside, give your website agents an idea, and see what they can create for yourself.
Now, ask yourself one question. The next time you need a website, do you want another piece of software that gives you more work? Or would you rather have AI website agents working with you? One idea, one prompt, an entire specialized AI website team working together to create something designed to look premium, feel different, and help turn visitors into leads, appointments, and customers. And if you decide to use it for clients, you now have something businesses can actually see the value in. Stop settling for boring templates. Stop building everything from scratch. Stop letting website creation eat up days of your time. Put your idea into Cinematic Sites AI and put your website agents to work. Click the button below, get Cinematic Sites AI today, and start creating your first cinematic website. Cinematic Sites AI. Don't build websites, deploy website agents.